Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video we have already discussed about block command. Now in today's video we are going to discuss actually a command donut and helix. Actually these are not very important commands in terms of architecture, but I think we should have a basic introduction of these commands. So now let's go and delete the previous workspace as you can see here and just click on delete. And now we are going to execute donut and helix. Just go to draw menu. The donut command is mainly used in construction of tires and mechanical engineering, and the helix command is basically it is used in some kind of spiral stairs, etc. So I'm just going to draw command. I'm just clicking on donut, and now I will turn off this grid mode, and I will always say that if you enter into the drawing, specify your units and limits first, and I have already specified. Now what the command is asking, command line is asking actually, specify inside diameter of donut. I am specifying, clicking on this point and specifying, draw, and again go to donut. Now what he is asking to specify inside diameter of your donut. I am going to say that it will be of 10 feet. Just clicking on enter, specify outside diameter of your donut. Now I'm going to say it will be of 15 feet. You have to just click enter. Now he is asking to specify the center of your donut. I'm just going to select that. This will be my center of donut. Specify the center of your donut and exit. Specified. Actually, this is actually when we have selected like that, actually it is actually a very small object. It is not that visible. If I zoom in a little bit, as you can see here, this is our donut command. But I am just at the time being, I am just deleting these kind of objects, and I am going again with donut, and I will specify my inside diameter as 500 feet and outside diameter as 700 feet. Now I am going with my donut like that. And now if you click enter, you will exit that command and you will see that our donut has been specified. As you can see, this is actually a type of a wheel, as you can see here. As you can see, this is how we execute the donut command. And now I will go with helix. This is actually used in many kind of stairs. Here it is. As you can see the shape easily from here. Now I'm going with helix. Specify center point of the base. I will click on that point, and now he is asking to specify radius or randomly click anywhere. I'm just specifying my radius. I have specified my radius. I have specified my first point, center point, and I have specified my radius. And if I zoom in a little bit, if I go inside here, as you can see that this kind of spiral structure will appear, and if I zoom outside that, there will be also a spiral structure from the center. So I'm going to click here like that, and just if I just want to end it, just click enter. But if I want to make a little bit change, like from here I'm specifying center and I'm just randomly clicking on diameter. If I go inside, I will just click here, and if this want the X endpoint, if I want to just click here, as you can see, this is actually change this one as this kind of helix, as you can see here. Now if I just click enter here, you can see that this kind of path, a frequency type path, will appear like that. And that's it for today's video, and thank you.